I'm in the mood to try some bridal eye looks today. More specifically, Kayla Nagira's. Sorry if I botched her last name, but she is also married now. And it's something else. Hawkins, maybe? Anyway, I want to try Michaela's bridal eye makeup look. So let's do it. Michaela's eye makeup was actually pretty simple. I think this palette will do the job for us. It's Mirabella True to You Nude Eye Palette. Gorge. I'm gonna go ahead and set and brighten my inner corner with shade Ambitious. Putting a light shade in your inner corner just completely brightens and opens your eye. Mwah! Stunning. Looks like we need just a little hint of shadowing in the crease. So I'm just taking shade Resilient, the outer corner, and then working that into the crease. I think that might be it for the eyeshadow. Now I gotta do liner. I think I'm gonna do this in 2 steps. First, going in with this Mirabella eye definer in shade Twig. Draw on the lash line and then create that shape we want. But the wing needs to be nice and sharp. Sharp. However Michaela says. I'm gonna take an angled brush and pack on a little bit of shade Motivated to finish out those wings. Some mascara and a half lash. And here's the look. Wow. Okay. Definitely a stunning ceremony look. But I think for the reception, party time, we can give a little more. I think we all know what it's missing. A little bit of sparkle. This is another Mirabella palette. It's the True to You Buff Eye Palette. The shade Romantic is immediately calling my name. Pop that in that corner. And let's deepen that crease. The shade Witty. If you know me, this is the obvious last step. Going in with the eye definer again. Except this time we're using shade Smoke. Popping that right into the waterline. Now we have the perfect evening reception look. The ceremony look was such an easy eye look to just add product on top of. Boom, baby! This definitely could be the vibe. To be honest, both of these palettes are very aesthetic, so I really wouldn't mind having them in my wedding makeup shot. You know what I'm saying? Thoughts? Feedback? Let me know. Love you. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.